Hello. As of yesterday, I was seeing this particular Hindi movie called Tanaji, and it is like my God, it'll take you back in time, yeah. I mean, as in, like I really like this actor Sharat Kelkar. I think he's very like there's something very likable about him. So, you know, he plays the role of Shivaji, and then. Uh, Basically, I felt this movie is in a way, in a very good way, because our actors are now in senior positions, right? They can't be the like, see, Tanhaji was a general in Shivaji's this, the Chhatrapati Shivaji's army. So it's a very it's that's what it's quite you get a fresh peek into history. And Kajol is also plays Tanaji's wife, and um, it's the whole, even Saif Ali Khan's character. He's supposed to be a negative character, but there's again something so likable about him that even when he tries to be portray himself as negative, the first impression you get is, oh man, he's so cute. It's like it's very comical, he has this very impish smile. He's supposed to be giving a evil look, but it's sweet, it's cute. I mean, the whole movie is something that you can watch to get a peek into Maratha history. Now it's already crossed 1 minute, now reaching 2 minutes. So really, people, Tanhaji, try and catch it. It is on Disney Hotstar. No, Disney Plus Hotstar. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.